How to log into your Regions Bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Regions Bank account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, simply search for Regions Bank. After you search for Regions Bank, you will see its official website. So you can open the official website up first. And after you open up the website, you will see an option to log in on the right hand side. You'll also find a login button on the top, but let's just focus on this one. Now tap on login, and after you tap on login, it will take you to this section. So right here, you can type in your username. So type in your username associated to your bank account and then tap on continue. You can tap on remember my username to make your login process for the future easier. So after you do that, you can tap on continue and then you will need to type in your password. So there you can see, type in your password and then you can continue. Now, in case you've forgotten your password, there's also an option to tap on forget password to recover it. And doing that, you'll have logged in into your account, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.